here in Washington, the farewell to the outgoing president and First Lady.
And again, something we did not see 4 years ago.
Right.
Because the Trumps had already left for Florida before Joe Biden and Jill Biden even got to the Capitol.
Right.
This gets back to a much more familiar scene. It's been striking how much engagement now former President Biden has had with Melania Trump, with Donald Trump. He made it a point to speak to one of J.D. Vance's young children right after his father took the oath, had a big smile on his face, and leaned out and spoke with the boy, shook hands with Carrie Underwood after she performed, very quickly shook hands with Donald Trump after he took the oath. He's had a pretty big smile on his face for a lot of what we've seen today. And I can't imagine the helicopter's rotors with the wind whipping up are going to feel very good coming up here. Having sat on the White House South Lawn way too many times when both of those men boarded Marine One, it's cold on a hot day. On a really cold day like this, not fun.
It is still only here in the mid-20s here in Washington. Let's just listen in as these farewells happen at the Capitol.